Alright guys, well, she's doing her homework, and we can try this thing again. I guess maybe it was flooded or something, I don't know. Let's try it again here. Switch on, gas on. Oh, it runs. Part's fixed. Can't start it up. I don't know what was wrong with it. Maybe it was just sitting too long. Who knows? I probably should let it run for a little while, since it hasn't been ran for a while. Everything looks okay, as far as what I can see. Well, that's the overflow. It's wet. No, that's a brand new card. I don't know. Let's see if it'll start back up. Since that's running, I'll let it run for a little while, since that's been running in a while. Yeah, one down. I'll see you when I make another video.